Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus and the iPhone 17 Pro, two powerhouses with jaw-dropping specs. The RedMagic boasts a massive 6.85-inch AMOLED display with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, while the iPhone 17 Pro counters with its stunning LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, dynamic island, and a peak brightness reaching 3000 nits. Which one dominates in performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 versus Apple's A19 Pro? How do their cameras compare with RedMagic's 50-megapixel main shooter against iPhone's triple 48-megapixel setup? What about battery life, cooling systems, and those unique features like RedMagic's active cooling fan versus iPhone's emergency SOS via satellite? And finally, which phone justifies its price tag better? Stick around as we dive deep and answer the ultimate question. Is the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus the gamer's dream, or is the iPhone 17 Pro still the king of all-rounders? Starting with the display, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus offers a larger 6.85-inch AMOLED screen with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 2000 nits, ideal for gamers craving fluid visuals and vivid colors. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED features dynamic island and an even higher peak brightness of 3000 nits, delivering stunning HDR10 and Dolby Vision content with excellent power efficiency thanks to its adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. The RedMagic's Magic Touch 3.0 and 3D ultrasonic fingerprint add to its gaming-focused edge, whereas the iPhone's always-on display and ceramic shield enhance everyday usability and durability. In essence, RedMagic leads in sheer speed and size, but iPhone excels in brightness and premium display tech. Under the hood, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with an octa-core CPU reaching up to 4.6 GHz and the Adreno 840 GPU, making it a beast for gaming and multitasking. On the other side, the iPhone 17 Pro runs on Apple's A19 Pro chip with a hexa-core CPU and a highly optimized 6-core GPU with Neural Engine, known for its efficiency and seamless integration with iOS. While the RedMagic's higher clock speeds and additional cores hint at raw power, the iPhone's chip offers superior AI capabilities and real-world performance optimization, highlighting a classic power versus efficiency battle. When it comes to standout features, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus packs a 120-watt wireless charging, an active cooling fan, and a pulsating water cooling engine designed specifically to keep temperatures low during intense gaming sessions. It also includes pressure-sensitive zones with a 520 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-responsive gameplay. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with its action button and camera control, emergency SOS via satellite for safety, and ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip for precise spatial awareness. Additionally, the iPhone boasts dual capture recording and advanced AI notes and assistant features. So, RedMagic focuses on hardcore gaming enhancements, whereas iPhone offers a blend of safety, control, and smart connectivity. Looking at cameras, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus sports a 50-megapixel wide main lens with OIS and PDAF, plus an ultra-wide and macro lens, and supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sophisticated triple 48-megapixel setup, including wide with sensor shift OIS, 100mm periscope telephoto with 4x optical zoom, and ultra-wide lenses, plus a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth. It records up to 4K at 120 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR and ProRes formats. The iPhone's advanced multi-camera system and professional video capabilities clearly outclass the RedMagic's simpler setup, making it the choice for photography and videography pros. In terms of camera features, the RedMagic offers fast focus, night mode, AI eraser, and AI image upscaling, which are great for casual and low-light shots. The iPhone 17 Pro, however, shines with its periscope telephoto lens, offering 8x optical zoom, dual-pixel PDAF, 3D sensor shift OIS, and smart HDR5, delivering unmatched detail and versatility. The iPhone's camera features cater to users demanding professional-grade photography and zoom capabilities, setting it apart. Battery-wise, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus packs a massive 7500 mAh SiC Li-ion battery, promising extended gaming marathons without worry. The iPhone 17 Pro houses a smaller 4252 mAh Li-ion battery, but compensates with highly efficient hardware and software optimizations. For pure endurance, RedMagic takes the lead, but iPhone aims for balanced performance and longevity. Regarding build, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus uses glass on front and back with an aluminum frame, focusing on durability and heat dissipation. The iPhone 17 Pro features ceramic shield glass front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, enhancing toughness and premium feel. The iPhone's ceramic shield is a standout for drop protection, giving it an edge in durability and luxury. Additional body features show RedMagic's gaming focus with pressure-sensitive zones and a built-in cooling fan, plus IPX8 water resistance for immersion up to 1.5 meters. The iPhone 17 Pro offers IP68, dust and water resistance up to 6 meters, Apple Pay support, and a ceramic shield back, emphasizing everyday ruggedness and convenience. The iPhone's superior water resistance and payment integration elevate its practical use beyond gaming. On memory, RedMagic offers configurations up to 1 terabyte with up to 24 gigabytes RAM, catering to heavy multitasking and gaming needs. The iPhone 17 Pro maxes out at 1 terabyte with 12 gigabytes RAM. Focusing on optimized memory management within iOS, RedMagic's higher RAM options appeal to power users demanding raw capacity, while iPhone relies on software efficiency. Finally, price-wise, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus ranges from $800 to $1,080, offering flagship specs at a more aggressive price point. The iPhone 17 Pro commands a premium $10,099 to $1,500 range, reflecting its build quality, ecosystem, and camera prowess. So, are you paying more for polish and ecosystem, or getting better value and gaming features with RedMagic?